In today's video, I'm going to teach you use ChatGPT to create Notion templates 5 minutes. We're going to move from a blank page to a structured Notion template by pairing ChatGPT for brainstorming with Notion AI for rapid building. Keep your workflow in mind as we go because clarity at the start will save you time later. Begin by opening ChatGPT to brainstorm an outline. Tell it what kind of template you want and why you need it. Share the purpose, who will use it, and what outcomes you expect. Ask for a clear outline with sections, databases, and suggested views. The more context you provide, the better the structure you'll get back. Type a specific detailed prompt. Include the type of database you want, the properties you need, and the kind of views or filters you prefer. For example, specify tags, statuses, formulas, and any automation ideas. State your constraints, like deadlines, priority levels, or recurring tasks, so the outline fits the way you work. Ask ChatGPT to write exact Notion elements for you. Request database property names, property types, sample entries, and even formulas. If you need rollups, relations, or advanced filters, have it write those out. You can also ask for sample data to test views and calculations once you're in Notion. If you're not sure where to start, simply ask for template ideas. Request variations by role, industry, or use case. Have ChatGPT compare options and recommend a direction, then ask it to combine the best parts into a single outline you can build with. Once you have an idea or outline you like, open Notion and create a new page where your template will live. Give it a clear title so you can find it later and keep things tidy. Click on Notion AI. If you don't see the option, make sure it's enabled in your workspace or try creating a new page where AI is supported. Paste your template idea or outline from ChatGPT into Notion AI. Include structure, properties, formulas, and any formatting cues you want it to follow. Be explicit about database names and views to reduce revisions. Let Notion AI generate the template for you. It will produce pages, databases, and content based on your prompt. Review what it creates to confirm it reflects your outline. Finally, review and refine the template. Adjust property types, tweak formulas, rename fields for clarity, and set up views with filters and sorts. Test it with sample entries, iterate until it fits your workflow, and then you're ready to use it.